All right, yeah, we back at it on the sedan, and I went ahead and just jumped the gun. So last time we got the pedals in, that's what you seen. We got the pedals in, and as far as the motor, it's still covered right now, but we'll take the cover off. Voila! I just went on ahead and finished it up. So I put everything back together, did all that, and make sure it's in neutral. And then I think now it's ready to start. I want to put gas. I put a battery in it, so we're about to see what's up. What do you think? You think it's gonna start?
I think so, yeah.
All right, let's see. Try it. Nothing?
Did it put the clutch in?
Probably not. Try again. Yeah. Looks like I gotta do some wiring then, because maybe the car thinks it's still in neutral or something. Let me see how many volts will get held up. All right, y'all. So I think we had a battery hiccup. Car should start now. Do something. At least the starter should kick over. If not, then we have a real problem. Nothing? That's crazy. Put the clutch in? Put the clutch in?
Yeah.
We have nothing. Maybe it's something I got to wire on the auto trans to fix it. We'll figure it out right now. Don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. As you can see, this thing is filthy. Look at this. Look at this. So I got some wiring to do, but before I do the wiring, I want to clean it up before I go drive it tomorrow. So plan is wash it, clean it up, get it looking good again, and then we're gonna bring it back, man. So let's get it. All right, clean. You drive by like, damn, they finally washing it.
All that bird shit.
Huh?
Another pole.
Oh yeah, they just kick it right there.
Yeah, you park anything after this?
Probably come back tomorrow, it's gonna be some shit on it.
Probably.
This will be clean. That bird crap will lift the paint up.
High key.
You know what I'm saying? Get your little pro plug. Some dickies. What is that? Everything there is railroad that shit.
Now this should look wet.
Right? Oh yeah. Way better, y'all. Day and night. The lonely beaver looks messed up at night.
It should probably be popping at night.
Right? Oh, it is.
During
You
the
can see
day.
under the street light too? I might come back and take a flick tonight. Oh yeah. Now we have it, y'all. Look how wet this is, man. You know what I'm saying? Give him a little go around real quick. Man. You can see inside now.
Oh yeah.
Put him at 35 each. Let's see, dog. What you think, man? Think it's gonna start? Keep going. Leave it. Don't rev it, just leave it. Yeah. Gotta let the oil go up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Sounds pretty good.